That's what I want to do, is get into clean wood as soon as I can so that I don't dull my teeth any more than is necessary. That pretty much covers what I want to show you on the head. We'll saw with the mill and saw this log up, and then I'll show you some things about the bed of the mill toward the end. In these logs, it's unbreakable. If you've had wood cant hooks, you know they'll get old and break on you from time to time. This log, I'm going to start off, I'm not even going to have to clamp it. This is our clamps here. But as we saw, there'll be a couple of times I have to clamp. But to start with, I'm not even going to clamp the log. We've got the head all the way down. I'm going to use the electric head raising mechanism so you can see that, and I'm just going to start sawing and saw this log up. If you like dealing with wood, you'll enjoy that. And this new head raising mechanism, I'm really excited about that. Normally, as I did in the beginning, you would take off the board one at a time. But I was able to square this can up into a 12 by 12. And to begin with, I cut, then I split it. And so we've got two sections there. That was a 12 by 12. I split it, so I've got two 6s. Now I started, and we'll use this lumber in actually crating up these machines to ship off to you. So I started off, and you can see I cut 2 by 6s. Those are really probably about 1 5/8. We have a full 1 inch and a full 2 inch scale.